are at 12461 Unit C, Northwoods Boulevard. This is the garage. I parked right there. There's always extra parking along the complex. What's nice about this complex is it's off the road and it's really well maintained. You can see all the siding and staining is, been well kept. This is the garage. Walking in, you have a little sitting area here. So this is the garage. What's nice about this condo is a lot of the condos don't have the attached garage, whereas this one does. You don't have to walk across the street. So 1-car garage. And then walk right to the front door. So down here on the main level, you have the 2 full bathrooms and 2 full bedrooms. So this is the bunk room. And here's the master bedroom. And we just reduced the price from $599 to $549,999. Kitchen area, bar stools. This would be the dining area. There's just not a dining table right now. The gas burning stove and also central forced air. And then you have a stackable washer and dryer in here. And with this complex, they don't allow short-term rentals. So it has to be 31 days or more. But because it's in Truckee, the short-term rental rules are you have to own the property for 1 year before applying for a short-term rental anyways. So with this complex, it's 31 days or more. But you could get around $2,500 a month long-term for this. Or you could do a ski lease or by the month or 3 months. All right, and that's the unit.